The headlines for you at 6 o'clock this morning. Stepping up the fight against coronavirus, a huge makeshift hospital is to be opened in London. But there's a stark warning from these A&E doctors.
We're seeing patients in their 20s, patients in their 30s. We don't know what the outcome of some of these patients will be. They will go to intensive care. They may be in intensive care for some weeks, and some of them will die. And it's completely heartbreaking and harrowing.
Thousands of retired NHS staff agree to come back as the government appeals for 250,000 volunteers to help tackle the crisis.
Good morning. To down tools or carry on in construction. The government's accused of being irresponsible for allowing non-essential building to continue. In Scotland, they're asked to stop. The industry tells us they need more clarity.
Some of the front pages of the papers this morning. We'll start with the Sun. National Help Service, they say, focuses on the Health Secretary's call for 250,000 volunteers to sign up to help the NHS try and tackle Covid-19.
The Times adds that the Prime Minister is under pressure to impose further travel restrictions after commuters crammed onto public transport earlier on this week.
Let's have a look at the Daily Mirror. They're leading with a plea from 4-year-old Mila, who asks readers to stay at home to help keep her safe as she is going through cancer treatment at the moment.
The top story on the BuzzFeed website says that couples in the UK have been told they must start living together or not see each other for potentially several weeks following the stricter social distancing measures announced by the government.
And talking social distancing, we've not got Sally with us today. Sally's downstairs in the sports studio.
You know, we've been told that only 2 people should be near each other, and we're not even that near each other. We are the requisite 2 metres, so we're growing it every day. There are so many questions. I know so many of you at home want questions answered, and some of the papers are doing that. We're, of course, doing that on BBC Breakfast. This is from The Telegraph. They've got a sort of double-page spread there of questions. All sorts of things. For example, exercise particularly. Exercise can only be with a member of the same household. What if they bump into a friend on the walk? Can they stay together? Well, according to them, no. The Prime Minister's instructions are we must only exercise alone or with members of your household. Should you see a friend, you must maintain a minimum of 2 metres gap. Prolonged social contact is strictly in breach of current orders. And they go on. I mean, for example, this one, I was wondering about this yesterday. What if my dog touches someone else? Because dogs just go up to people, don't they? It's really weird going on a dog walk because dogs go and, you know, meet each other and then go...
Sniff everybody,
yeah. Exactly. Anyway, no strong evidence suggests that humans can catch the virus from dogs, but greeting animals is said to be inadvisable.